What's going on, homies? How is everybody doing today? I hope you guys do hear me good. If you guys hear me bad at any time, just let me know so I can fix the mic. No, just let me know so we'll continue trading. Looking at some subs here, I'm also going to be live on the Instagram. So let me go live in a second as well here. So we can also catch us trading live. Let me actually share my stream though. I'm on YouTube. Smart. There's that. Your boy is dead, he just woke up. But we're gonna be trading every day live at this time. We're gonna be doing 9 to 10 YouTube and then 10 to 11 with the mentorship students. Fuck you, man. Yeah, Jesus Christ. So, alright, so what are we looking at here? So looking at when we want to start the week, we always want to start looking at dollar, right? What do we have here? What we can see is we have very choppy price action. We do have a level of liquidity here, right? There's a lot of orders that will definitely be pending below this level. It seems like price has tended to reject a lot from this area, and we have gone higher. We have gone higher with this level, and we rejected the price a lot. But it does seem like price from this angle might want to start going up higher now. So that's something that we do definitely have to keep an eye on, seeing what's going to happen here with price. Is price going to now continue going higher, or are we going to start looking for some liquidity now that the market has opened? So we will definitely keep our eyes on that. We will see what price does do, but as of now, we're just being cautious here, right? Give me 1 second while I actually put some music for me to like vibe to, and then I'll continue with you guys. Alright. And then working with the market. So yeah, it looks just like price a little bit stuck in this range. We'll see how we do finally break out of this for DXY. So I wouldn't actually treat this as a bullish position here. I would not treat this as a bullish position for DXY because we also had last week's opening up. You can see how that actually did not rebalance at all, and we continue dropping. So if anything, I was starting to see price drop down to this OB down here. And then from there, see how price might want to react with DXY. So I'm definitely looking for some longs with continuations of EURUSD and GBPUSD, right? So that's also interesting. We got to take a look at how prices tend here. H1 nothing. H1 price looks a little bit too choppy here. Looks like we had our higher. But again, we have the same thing that we have for dollar. We have price that might want to reject this, and we do have a lot of liquidity above where price might want to go back up to, and from there take it off, right? So we should expect that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, we're going to mark off our levels here. So we're going to look at what's happening here with London session and London lows. We can see that down here we have our true day open, At this one right here, we have our truly open, so our basically our 12 open. And then we have our London highs and London lows right up here. So we can mark that off of actually red. So we don't get confused here. London highs, London lows. So that's where we're kind of stuck in as far as the range of today goes, right? Now the question is, what is price going to do here? Does price want to drop down here and give me something? It doesn't look like it. It doesn't seem like price might want to drop down and give us something. It looks like we did grab some liquidity here. We do have a little bit of FG here, but there's still not enough context for me to be proud to take this right here, right? I will not take any of this until I get some context. So the ranges between here, premium, discount, right? What I'm looking for now is some context that can guide me the price to continue going higher with GBP USD here, which we haven't gotten yet, you know? So we'll be looking at this as well. We do have a little bit of OP here, header up higher. Just too much liquidity here right now. No real order that has taken out buy stops. So buy stops haven't been taken out here, which is why I don't like this. And why I still wouldn't focus on getting on any of these longs until buy stops are taken. We do have a little bit of OP here. I would like to see this rejected, and then from there continue on with some PA that makes sense to us. As of now, there's not much that makes sense to me. But we do have a little bit of supply zones being formed here. We have this, and we have this right here. Then we have a little bit of the FPG here without liquidity below. Question is, do you want to take that? I don't want to take that. Let's take a look now at EURUSD here, this angle. Kind of the same thing, right? Except for EURUSD, they actually did take off the highs here, which is interesting. Here we have a higher high, here we have a lower high. That's very interesting because we did take off London highs for GBP USD, but we didn't take London highs off for so we took off the highs for Euro, looks like, but we didn't take off the highs for GBP USD. Look at this SMC right here. That's interesting as well. So this is the weakest pair right here, which is GBP USD. Price now might take off these London lows here. That's what it's looking like to me. Alright, so I definitely like some liquidity here. If I could take price to come back up to this level right here, I would definitely enjoy some shorts here for EURUSD. I'll definitely do some shorts right here. I'll be happy with these shorts to take them back down to those levels right there. So the price does want to come back up to this level of EURUSD just because of the S&T and then the liquidity we have below here, and we're above that truly open. I will enjoy some shorts to take price down here, just to these lows right here. The middle of London lows, I'll be content with that. That will be the trade for now, if we could take that setup right there. Let's see if we got the order for EURUSD here. The S&T right there as well. Gold, a little bit too choppy for my liking here. about gold, it just looks like a chopper. Right? We took out another highs here this day. For today, we have Asian highs and then lows. It looks like maybe price wants to take that off, and then from there maybe we can start dropping. I don't know. It just seems a little too choppy for my liking. A little bit too choppy for my liking right now. I'm not gonna lie, so I just want to trade gold. Although I'm gonna go live in another Instagram. 1 second. Look at yours, do go, man. That's crazy. So it looks like here what happened was we actually rejected out of this little pet pocket with JPUSD right here. Rejected this bad boy right here. Actually, now we're having this melt off with USD, unfortunately. It's not a bad sell, it's not a bad setup. It's something that we can't avoid, you know? We just, that happens. This is not going to go what we want, you know? We just got to keep it going. Unfortunately, that all happened, man. Unfortunately, what happened here that we weren't able to get the order here. What can you do, right? What can you do? Now we have to wait and see is what is price going to do from here, right? Are we going to get maybe an FEG here that makes sense for us to get on it? What are we doing here? Gold looks like let's reject out of that. Look, USD CAD, I don't trade those pairs. For gold, we have this right here. I'm gonna stop trading gold so I'm gonna delete it out of my thing. So I like how it's looking, because honestly, I just don't like the way gold has been traded. So I'll just stop trading that for now. Focus on EURUSD and GBPUSD. Simple, you know what I'm saying? Use them both with SMT, and like that, we understand what we're looking at. Definitely for now, we need some shorts here. For today, we're definitely looking for some shorts. SMT. Oh my god. We're having a SMT again, it looks like. Here we have equal levels. This might be another lower level that's not grabbed here, so we might have to be cautious on that. But we'll see. Back below a discount here. I want to take a look at the XY here actually. So it looks looks like the Xbox should rejected out of that level pretty nicely. Out of that quote unquote level that we're not expected to reject it. It looks like it keeps rejecting it, trying to go higher. So we're getting a brand new feature right there that I do like to see. Once you make this placement level right there, definitely price wants to continue dropping for the day. So if this closes right here, capitalize on that because now you have a breaker here and an FEG there. So this is going to be beautiful if we continue dropping enough, where this makes an FEG for us to continue taking it all the way down to the nose, which it might, just might, you know. We'll keep our eyes on this. And now we're having kind of the same thing on our right hand side with GPUSD. So sorry, my knuckle is like this. My keyboard. Alright, 2 minutes to go here and 2 minutes to go here. And it's still looking very bullish for dollar, and I don't think it's gonna want to continue going anywhere. Alright, so I made the M3 FEG, we can definitely capitalize on that. We got the M3 FEG right there. Beautiful. And you also have a breaker above. So a lot of liquidity still pending here. Definitely take off the lows down here. Beautiful. Which is exactly what we're gonna aim for. Right there. Stops above here just to be safe. Target the lows right here. Got a little bit safer out there. Alright, so that is a setup for your USD. No. We're following through, right? Oh, the mind just triggers in. So we're looking at 6 fib stops. 6 fib stops. I don't mind the salt, take this in a day. Alright, so it did make a little bit of an M5 here, small one. It looks like that wasn't what I wanted. It did just trigger into that M3. We'll see. I don't know. Problem is that it did take off the lows here, like these lows. It didn't take off this lows quite, so it's still a lot of liquidity placed between these levels. We'll see if this trade does pan out, right? So it's a lot about just being patient now. I wanted to see if it does want to follow on with our structured buys. GPUSD on the other end is not 1 and 2. Looks like it's right down the M5 in GPAD pocket. That's quite bullish for GPUSD. Scary. I do have a breaker right here though. Breaker here, for sure. They have a breaker there. Bottom of the London session lows there. What about dollar? Yeah, dollar, I just feel like it's just hitting out of the FVG now to continue going higher because we do have a big breaker here. Big breaker here that grab liquidity. I don't really see any bearishness here. Oh, who knows? I'll stay on my setup. I like it. Just risk management, right? That's the whole thing of it. Risk management and you'll be fine. Why does it keep doing that? And I'm looking at that index to the back. Look at that fire right there for GPUSD with the breaker. Beautiful. Look at it right here. You got this plus this continuation right here. So you got this for GPUSD right here, middle of London session structure, and then you got this for EURUSD. A little bit of SMT. Do you guys see it? Do you guys see the SMT? Because I see it. Check out the SMT. Here is there right here. This is what SMT is. So let's you guys start learning. Here you have a lower high point, which means that price is weak with GPUSD, and at this exact same level for EURUSD, we have a higher high. So that's already giving us hints that price there is a watch to at least drop, right? Because there you have SMT 101. So you have that plus rejection of dollar that's clearly trying to go higher, and the displacement that we have 930, right? So we have multiple confidences for this to drop shorter, which is why we took that setup right there on M3. Once we break out of this low right here, then you can be at break even. Right here. Man, we fucking do this, man. I'm telling you guys. Joining my streams, we're making money together. Do it. What does that look like to you guys? Yes, sir. rejection there because we kind of no way I'm closing this just because it is what it is. If it wants to do like a weird Monday move, then I can, but let's just hope it doesn't, you know? Maybe we want maybe like an F15 FPG, I don't know. Because the F15 candle is bearish as hell, man. That's a very bearish candle I just saw. With F15, it's a very bearish candle right there. So, we'll see what this do here. Let's check it out with this F15 right here for dollar. I mean, for euro, this looks very bearish. Fortunately, this was some levels that maybe you could have some buy orders pending, but I mean, there's literally there's no volume here that's pointing towards longs. So this does tend to go back up higher, and it's just an unfortunate move, but this is looking like it wants to completely just give us a nice melt off all the way down to take out these lows here. And this looks like a prime example of SMT here, right? Original consolidation, price right here has a little bit of a swing reversal. GPUSD already giving us some hints that it does want to drop. We can make F15 FEG potentially, and then from there drop. So we'll see. What a weird move. Mondays are always so weird. They're always so weird, I swear. What a weird Monday. We just dropped on a candlestick. We're back at the level where we're answered. It's never good. Whenever you're back at that level, you answered and you have drop offs like this, it's not good. But there's no way in hell that I would not be in this trade. It just doesn't mean it's not going to not be on it, you know. It was there. Two bars melting here. Check out some liquidity. Still rejecting them with that FEG though. What a weird pop, man. Content trading galactic, right? Doesn't want to respect anything. What I can't believe is that we had the drop there and I wasn't even unable to get a break even here. That's what I really can't believe, because like, these are equal lows 101, right? There's so many orders there that I can't believe. But let's hope it's just fake out. Doesn't seem like it. It does seem like price is gonna want to come back up higher. It might even come back up to this level here. I definitely don't want to take a sell here anymore because of this pop. Because now structure is being broken. Right, this structure right here. If we break out of that, so we'll see. This is unfortunate. Let's say hello, hold. Oh my god, what a pop. What a weird move with USD and GPUSD. There we go. Just getting some orders or what? I hope that's it. I hope it was just getting some orders. Or not want to see a rejection there. I don't know, I want to see this. If this turns into a buying pool, then we're basically, fucked. Looks like maybe it was hunting some orders. I don't know. I do want to see this M5 candle or this M3 candle and under below here with a minute to go. That would be beautiful. For sure, you don't want to see this end above like it's doing now. You don't want to see that. Oh my gosh, come on, man. You don't want to see that what it's doing now. You want to see it drop for sure. Because that means it's rejecting out of the selling pool, making it a buying pool now. That's where sellers were at, right? So if it's rejecting it, that means now buyers are coming through. But we'll see though. Weird, man. Breaker here, could be a break right there. Still got this OP here. Just looks like one of those days, huh? Look at that candle. Oh my god. The bars music candle we had before that. It was such a bearish candle, right? That's a prime example of why candles don't work. I mean, anybody that wasn't on this M15 candle was probably like, yeah, we have ultimate shorts here. It aligned with our setup as well, but I mean, this is a bearish engulfing one-on-one, right? For both M5 and M1. Look at this bearish engulfing. So imagine anybody that got in these orders here, they're like, what is going on here? No, candles don't always work. Here's another example, bearish engulfing. Price goes all the way up higher. I can go to the 1.06665. Oh my god, that just sucks, man. Right, I was looking so good. So part of just really frustrates me. What frustrates me is when you have that perfect setup, looks really good, and then just a shit like this, right? Like, it shows you in, it goes down low a little bit, let's say 2-3 pips, you're fine, you're about to get break even. I would be fine if it would have stopped me at a break even, if it would have broken those lows. But I was mean it doesn't take the lows, and then it's still here, you know? No, we're still not close out of it though. I mean, the setup is still alive. We still are alive with the setup because if you actually think about it, what made this entire drop possible was this FEG here. Right? This is what made this drop. Obviously, here you fall into a structure, but this is what led to the open at 9:30. So this move right here is still alive because this is what led to the move. Now it looks like it's not going to be alive anymore. It looks like that buying pool that we're talking about, right? It looks like it's what's happening. It looks like this pool, which was a selling pool before, is now turned into a buying pool. Still hasn't hit my stops, but it's pretty close to. What I'm really frustrated about is if it does come back up to this, and then from here, we start setting off, that would not be pretty cool to see. But if we can make an M1 shift up there, then maybe. I bet earnings do be bullish. It's looking bullish. It definitely is looking bullish. It's looking like it's breaking out everything right now. Weirdly, though, very weird PA today. Mondays are always weird. That's why I try to stay away a lot from Mondays. My golden days are Wednesdays. Those are my golden days for sure. And then Tuesdays are not bad, but Mondays, I definitely have a negative R on Mondays. Just because it's the start of the week, market is really just like trying to figure out what it wants to do. So you got a little bit of price action like this, but it doesn't really make much sense, Looks like we got stopped out there. So there goes that. Now we have to see if I just subtract this or what we want to do. Oh, annoying, man. What a weird odd move. And then you have now, of course, it rejecting out of whatever. So many equal lows here too. Breaker. I hate that we had an idea of what to do with the hub. We should have a little bit of bullishness, right? A little bit. Just not expect it to be this much, right? Just look, it doesn't look ideal here. Just SMC, you can erase that. I appreciate it, man. Look at that wave right there. That's crazy. Look at all this liquidity that's been brought too. SMT right there, M30. drop here now. This is if we want to drop this stuff, let's have to try to drop out. So you have this, and then you have this last pit pocket FG here, and 15. It doesn't look like it wants to drop at all. Dang. That's unfortunate. Well, we still have hope, right? But we'll just see. I have to wait and see. Look at this GPUSD fucking pop. Okay, there we go. Some rejections there. How did I want to take this? Definitely not very scary to take just price from just enough random FG that you see there, you know? Especially when prices looking fairly bullish here. And then see a real true rejection here to then take off the lows here. Which we haven't gotten, unfortunately. Price just completely flying. Was I gonna try to reject it? Not really. You want all the orders that were placed there, right? We were looking at that setup earlier today. All those equal lows just seem too obvious, right? Like I kept saying in the morning. Wait, is that clear? You can't hear me? I'm sorry, man. I definitely did not see that coming. Definitely did not see this coming right here with the auto rejection. But that's a weird move for today. So I'm gonna just stop it for today because that was definitely a move for the morning. You know, it's just very odd. See the melts. Price obviously gonna continue going higher, it seems like. Definitely try to capitalize on something here. Now that I actually think about it though. Because we are above some strong levels here. GPUSD. Put the FPG right there. It's over there. Take off to the highs. There's no FPG but down, you see? So right here, you switch it up. Stops above. Get back your losses right here. Take the order right above. That's what we're looking at now for GPUSD. So the loss that we just had, we can try to get it back with this trade right here. Because obviously price is now showing us some willingness to go higher. It looks like it broke out of all these levels that we had our eyes on. Right, broke out of this. Wasn't able to take off the equal lows. And then for dollar, the liquidity that we have placed, it seems like that's what it wants to grab. So this was, we're now sending pool, same thing here, this was sending pool into a buying pool. This was sending pool into a buying pool, and we have developed now our first FPG with an M5. Now the question is, does the one trigger then? Right? Does the one trigger is it or not? And then this is stops that we're done for the day, right? 2 trades per day, risking 1%. No, we gotta be faster, fuck. Look at that pump right there. What an annoying pop without triggering us in. I'm just gonna call it today, guys. I'll be back tomorrow. You guys know how it goes. Appreciate you all. Peace, peace.